Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance in Japan. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. Register using your email or phone number, then complete the identity verification process. This usually involves submitting a government-issued ID. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for robust security. This crucial step protects your assets and ensures a smooth experience. Once your account is secure, the next step is to fund your wallet. Binance offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers or credit card payments. Select the option that works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions to deposit Japanese yen. Always double-check the deposit amount and be aware of any transaction fees before confirming. With funds in your account, you're ready to purchase USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll specify Japanese yen as your payment currency and select USD as the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Input the exact amount of Japanese yen you intend to use, and the system will show you the corresponding USD amount. Before finalizing, carefully review all the order details. This includes the current exchange rate and any applicable transaction fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase to complete your transaction. Your newly acquired USD will then be securely deposited into your Binance Spot wallet, ready for trading or other uses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.